Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, I am Crypto Maximalist. Thank you very much for joining me again for another daily update on VECHAIN. Before we begin, please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below and all that good stuff. And with that being said, we'll just take a quick look at the charts today then for VECHAIN. As you can see in this recent area, we have been having this very nice run after we had a bounce off the low of that range that we've had for essentially almost 2 years now, since May 2022. You can see we're put in this range, as I've talked about multiple times, testing the highs and the lows over the course of this prolonged period of, you would say, consolidation and accumulation for VECHAIN. Obviously, once you get down to around 95% corrected from the all-time high, you do start to see things moving to the downside, to the upside again, and tending to, start to bottom out, which is something that we have seen for VECHAIN. If you take a look at this drawdown from the all-time high, we get down to around 95% there and did start to bounce. Anywhere from around 90 to 95% is when you do usually start to accumulate and consolidate for cryptocurrencies. And you can see here for VECHAIN that was no exception. Pretty much got down to around 88-90% corrected here and then continued to the downside, but we have started to put that range in now. And obviously with the markets looking a lot more bullish over the past 6 months or so, with Bitcoin having a nice run from 15k to 44k so far, we've obviously started to see a little bit of capital rotating out of Bitcoin and into some of the larger caps. Obviously Cardano, we've seen AVAX, we've seen VECHAIN, and we've seen many other larger cap cryptos starting to get a little bounce and some movement off the lows. And you can see here, ever since VECHAIN broke out of that bear mark, that little resistance this year that we have seen during this bear market, you can see we were stuck under this resistance all year basically. After that relief rally at the start of the year, we finally broke out, back tested, and the technical target for breaking out of a big descending wedge kind of formation like this is testing where it was formed at the top of the range here at around 3.2 cents. You can see today's price is around just under 3 cents there, which is probably a big psychological resistance, taking profit area, etc. But we did smash our first target, which was that 2.7 cent level at the 0.23 Fibonacci, and really we do need to see ourselves testing this high and testing this bear market resistance soon as well. If we can break that big resistance at the top of the range soon, we'll obviously be looking to come up and test the bear market resistance, still at around 4 cents right now. And then obviously we want to start getting up through our Fibonacci levels, going into another bull market. But right now things, looking positive for VECHAIN, looking like it is picking up off those lows, gearing up for what looks like potentially a move to the upside after this prolonged period of consolidation like this. All we really need to see is that break back test of this area here, all these resistances turned into support, and then just starting to make our way up through the fib levels for the bull market. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below and all that good stuff, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.